Good morning. Welcome to MIDS Gurukul channel. How are you? I hope you will be healthy and happy. One request to you, please subscribe this channel and also share this video to your classmates. Today I am going to solve the next question of this lesson, but first let me solve the question that I gave you for practice. Okay? Question of your practice is, find the sum of first n positive integers. Solution 1. Given Sn is equal to 1 plus 2 plus dot plus n. So therefore A is equal to 1, D is equal to 2 minus 1 is equal to 1, L is equal to n, and n is equal to also n. Now because Sn is equal to n by 2 into A plus L is equal to n by 2 into A is equal to 1 and L is equal to n is equal to n into n plus 1 by 2. This is your answer. Now I am going to solve the question of your exercise. Question number 14. Question number 14 says, find the sum of odd numbers between 0 and 50. Given A is equal to, because odd number between 0 and 50 is a 1 and 1 1 plus 3 dot and the last 49. So A is equal to 1. Given S is equal to 1 plus 3 plus dot plus 49. So A is equal to 1, D is equal to 3 minus 1 is equal to 2, L is equal to 49. So first we have to find the number of n. Because A is equal to 49, therefore A plus n minus 1 into D is equal to 49, implies 1 plus n minus 1 into 2 is equal to 49, implies n minus 1 into 2 is equal to 49 minus 1, implies n minus 1 into 2 is equal to n minus 1 to 2 is equal to 48. 48 divided by 2, then we get 24, implies n is equal to 24 plus 1, therefore n is equal to 25. Now so because Sn is equal to n by 2 into A plus L, therefore is 25 is equal to 25 by 2 into A 1 plus 49. 25 into 2 by into 50 divided by 2, then we get 25, therefore 25 into 25 is equal to 625. This is your answer. Question number 15. A contract on construction job specify a penalty for delay of completing beyond a contract date as the follow: rupees 200 for the first day, 250 for the second day, and 300 for the third day, etc. The penalty for each succeeding day being with raise 50 more than for the preceding day. How many money the contractor has to pay as penalty if he has delayed the work by 30 days? Now, solution 15. Given 1 day penalty, it means that A is equal to rupees, D is equal to second day penalty 250, the second day minus first day days penalty is equal to rupees 50. Number of delay date is equal n is equal to 30. Now, because Sn is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d, therefore As 30 is equal to 30 by 2 into 2 into 200 plus 30 minus 1 into 50 is equal 30 is divided by 2, then we get 15. 200 into 2, 400 plus 29 into 50 is equal to 15 into 400 plus 9 5 are 45, 4 5 2 are 10 and 4 14, 1450 is equal to 15 into 0544 05448 1850. We multiply 1850 by 15, then we get 0 5 7 27. It means that 27,750. Therefore, the contractor has to pay rupees 27,750 as penalty. Now the next question, question number 16. Question number 16 say a sum of rupees 700 is to be used to give 7 cash prize to a student for a school for their overall academic performance. If the each prize is rupees 20 less than its preceding price, find the value of each of the prize. Now, given S is equal to rupees 700, because the total money is 700 and 700 divided into 7 price. So n is equal to 7. Now let the cost of first prize be rupees X, then the cost of second prize is equal to rupees X minus 20, because according to the question each price is 20 less than its preceding price. Therefore D is equal to X minus 20 minus X is equal to minus 20, second price minus first price. Now because S is equal to 700, therefore n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into D is equal to 700. Implies 7 by 2 into 2a plus 7 minus 1 into minus 20 is equal to 700. 700 divided by 7, then 100. Implies 2a plus 6 into minus 20 is equal to 100 into 2. Implies 2a is equal to 2a minus 120 is equal to 200. 6 2 are 12. Implies 2a is equal to 200 plus 120. Implies 2a is equal to 320. 320 divided by 2, 2 1 are 2, 2 6 are 2, 160. Implies a is equal to 160. Now 20, all prices are 20 less than their previous, so therefore the value of each of the prizes was rupees 160, rupees 160 minus 20, 120, rupees 120 minus 20, 100, rupees 80, rupees 60, 1 2 3 4 5, sorry, this is 140, 160 minus 20, 40, this is 120, this is 100, this is 80, next price is rupees 60, and the last price is rupees 40. Answer. Now the next question, question number 17. In a school, a student thoughts of planting tree in and around the school to reduce air pollution. It was decided that the number of trees that each section of each class will planted, what will be the same as the class in which they are studying. As example, a section of class 1 will planted 1, a section of class 2 will planted 2 trees, and so on till class 12. There are 3 sections each class. How many trees will be planted by the student? According to the question, 3 sections in each class. Therefore, class 1 planted 1 tree. Class 2 planted 2 into 3 is doing the 6 plants. So solution 17 given given S is equal to class 1 planted one tree, therefore there are three sections, so class 1 planted 3 tree, 3 1 or 3. Again class 2 planted 2 tree, so therefore there are 3 sections, hence the class 2 planted 3 into 2 is equal to 3 into 2. Class 3 planted 3 into 3 dot dot dot. Class 12 planted 3 into 12 is equal to 3 plus 6 plus 9 plus dot 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 plus 36. Three into 1, because class 1 planted 3. There are 3 sections, class 1 planted 1 tree, therefore 3 into 1. Now therefore A is equal to 3, D is equal to 6 minus 3 is equal to 3, N is equal to, there are 12 class, and L is equal to 36. Because Sn is equal to n by 2 into A plus L, therefore S12 is equal to 12 by 2 into A, 3 plus 36. 12 is divided by 2, then we get 6 is equal to 6 into 36 plus 3 is 39 is equal to 9 6 are 54, then 5 6 3 are 18, and to 20 and 3 23. Therefore 234 trees will be planted by the students. Answer. Now question number 18. A spiral is made of the successive semicircle with the center alternately at A and B. Starting with center A of radius 0.5 cm, 1 cm, 1.5 cm, 2 cm dot dot as shown in the figure 5.8. What is the total length of such a spiral made of the 13 consecutive semicircle? Take pi is equal to 22 by 7. This is your figure. From first one, first center is A, then center is B, again center is A, okay, again center is B. So we know that perimeter of semicircle is equal to pi r. Therefore L1 is equal to pi into according to the question, 0.3 centimeter is equal to pi into 3 by 10 sorry 0.5 5 by 10, 5 to a 10 is, it means that pi by 2 centimeter. L2 is equal to pi into 1 is equal to pi centimeter 1.0. L3 is equal to pi into 1.5 is equal to pi into 15 by 10, 5 3 are 15, 5 to a 10, 3 pi by 2 centimeter. Therefore, so A is equal to pi by 2, D is equal to pi minus pi by 2 is equal to 2 pi minus pi is equal to pi by 2. Now n is equal to 12. Because Sn is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d, therefore n is equal to 13. There are 13 by 2 into a is equal to pi by 2, 13 minus plus 13 minus 1 into d is equal to pi by 2. 13 by 2 to cancel, pi plus 12 into pi by 2, 2 6 are 12. 13 by 2 into 6 pi and 1 pi, 7 pi is equal to 13 by 2 into 7. The value of pi is 22 by 7. 7 cancel, 2 11. So we multiply 11, 3 are 33, 11 1 11 and 3 14 centimeter. Therefore, total length is equal to 143 centimeter. Answer. Now I am giving you question for practice. The first question is, find the sum of first 24 terms of the list of numbers when nth term is given by n is equal to 3 plus 2n. Second question, a manufacturer of TV sets produced 600 sets in the third year and 700 sets in the seventh year. Assuming that the production increased informally by a fixed number every year, find 1. the production in the first year, the production second, the production in the 10th year, first year, 10th year, and the total production in the first 7 years. That's all. Thank you. Good night.